Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the service light on a Fiat 500L. First, ensure your vehicle is off, then insert the key and turn it to the MAR position. This powers up the dashboard without engaging the engine. You'll need to access the vehicle's menu system using the steering wheel controls. This simple process will save you a trip to the mechanic and can be done quickly at home. Let's get started with the first step. Once the ignition is in the MAR position, press the menu button on your steering wheel. This will bring up the main menu on your instrument cluster display. Use the up and down arrow buttons to scroll through the available options. You are looking for a section typically labeled Service or Maintenance. Take your time to find the correct option to proceed. After locating the Service or Maintenance option, press the menu button again to select it. The display will then prompt you to confirm the service reset. To initiate the reset, press and hold the menu button for about 10 seconds. You should see a confirmation message appear on the screen, indicating that the service interval has been successfully reset. After releasing the button, check your instrument cluster to ensure the service reminder message has disappeared. If it's still there, simply repeat the steps. Once confirmed, turn off your ignition completely, then restart your Fiat 500L to finalize the process. You've successfully reset your service light. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.